Hello, Namaskar dosto. So in this video, I would like to share that how can you also start speaking English language. Uh, it's very easy way to speak in English, but the thing is that many people don't know the exact way how they should start. Okay, so speaking English is a art, and you know very well that art require lot of practice to win perfect that particular art. So in the same way, you have to do lot of practice, for the for speaking this language, and there is a only way to be fluent. To be able this language, you have to do lot of practice. There is not any shortcut. So many time people, think that they would be able to learn this language in 15 days, 20 days. Yeah, it is possible, but the thing is that how much effort you have put, to learn this language, that decide everything. And if you have put lot of effort, and you have done a lot of hard work, you have done a lot of practice, then definitely you can learn this language in 10 to 15 days. It's not very big deal. And what you should do, I think, if you are desire to learn this language, then you basically know the you know basic grammars and the word basic sentences. The thing is that you are not able to frame that sentence while speaking, you know so you have to do one thing, that while speaking, or you have to start thinking in the English. So you have to be surrounded by the thought of the English speaking. So how you can make this environment on is your on how can you create this environment from your own self. So you can do one thing, that try to think in English. you know Try to, whatever you speak in Hindi, try to convert in English. Okay, so just start thinking in English. So whatever you are thinking, like you think in your vernacular language, it may be Hindi, English, it may be Hindi, Marathi, like that. So just think in English. And yeah, after 2 or 3 days, it will become you know uh, easy for you to deliver some sentences in English. And yeah, this is the way to speak this language. And I can tell you a lot of things, but I am just telling what is the most important and desirable, and which can be do. So it's a durable, it's not like that you can't do. And you can also record like this as I am recording. And yeah, after that you can watch your videos and you can improve also. So yeah, this is a way to speak this language in the simplest way. Thank you, guys.